Hi, I'm Emer. I am 14 years old. We interrupt this to give you breaking news. Breaking news from the playroom. Today is Bella's birthday. Happy birthday, Bella. More breaking news. All of my tickets are sold out for my Irish dancing show. All of the reviews are very good. And now for the weather. It is so sunny. Back to you in the studio. Thank you, Emma. Well, my favorite thing to do is playing pranks on my family. It's really funny. And in sports, I love going on a tandem with my dad. And that's the end of the show. Bye!